Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Snapchat. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat glitch. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, check your internet connection. If your internet is not strong enough or the speed is low, Snapchat might glitch. So connect to your mobile data or connect to a stronger Wi-Fi. You can also turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it back on. If the internet connection is not the reason for the glitch, try updating Snapchat. So open the Play Store or the App Store on your device and search for Snapchat. Tap the results shown. And if your app is not up to date, an update button will be shown. So tap Update. Since updating your apps, download the latest version of the apps. This step might fix the glitch. If updating Snapchat didn't work either, press and hold the Snapchat icon and tap the info icon. Once you do that, you'll be taken to the app info page for Snapchat. Here, tap Force Stop. And on the pop-up, tap OK. Next, tap Storage. And tap Clear Cache. And Clear Data. Also, on the pop-up, tap OK. Once you are done, restart your mobile device and check if the problem is fixed. If it did not work, your final option is to uninstall the app and reinstall it. And that's how you fix Snapchat glitch. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.